last last week I'm I've been feeling more and more lazy. For right now I haven't done anything. At least I done small things around in my house right now. Right? I done small things. But but I don't really I don't really want to give up. I don't want to give up either, because when I give up I got nothing. But when I keep moving forward, um I still got nothing. But but the greatest part about it is it improve it it improves me a lot. Even if small I got nothing to it, but it improves own our own personalities on how we face our problems and fears, to actually keep moving forward and not giving up easily, like those on people that always giving up because they think it's already over. But don't stuck with that mindset. If you want to move forward, is to move forward, go with it, keep moving with your own goals, your desires, on how you handle your business, how you handle your life, or how you handle your family, friends, your own boundaries, and respecting their boundaries. Instead of viewing failures or problems as a dead end or something negative, instead try to inspire yourself. Try to like get like a little bit optimistic, or just don't give up. We just keep moving forward. Either your emotion, or either you're feeling intense in your emotion or your problems, but don't give up. Have a growth mindset. Okay? Don't get stuck in a fixed mindset. Just get a growth mindset and think and view problems as a new opportunity. So, see you.